This is game 3 of 6 ng inyong Delta Cup. Live na live po tayo dito sa BREN, GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando, Pampanga. My name is Brian Paro. Ang ating match at hand is gonna be MINALIN versus GUAGUA. Two teams na nanggaling sa panel. They want to extend the winning streak. GUAGUA with a 3-0 record. MINALIN, isa pa lang talo nila. They have a 3-1 record. So, we expect that these teams will go fast in the first half. Pero sa second half, they will a very efficient methodical offense, especially sa nakikita natin. GUAGUA has 2 or 3 players scoring double figures. Karoon din sa MINALIN. But of course sa MINALIN, ang pinaka-importante dito ay makontrol nila yung rebounds because on their last loss, they were badly out-rebounded ng kanilang counterparts. Sa GUAGUA naman, kailangan nila ma-force ang MINALIN to turnover so that they could have a lot of fast break opportunities. And of course, mamaya ay ipapakita natin sa inyo ang starting 5 for both squads. Again, this is still on day 6 or week 6 ng ating Delta Cup. Marami pa po tayo mga elimination round ng mangyayari dahil sa napakaraming mga municipalities and cities na nagpa-participate dito sa Delta Cup. Of course, itong BREN GUIAO Convention Center, this is a rich history of champions. Nag-champion na po ang Pampanga Dragons pa nung NBA days pa. And recently last year, they are national champions in another league. So this is a pedigree of champions. So coming up next, we have MINALIN versus GUAGUA in a short while. Okay, we're just moments away of starting this game. We have Parungao, Sagmit, Pamulagan, Manabat, and of course number 81 player ng MINALIN will start. Bukaran, Gopez, we have Tapnio, Apostol, and the other player also starting for GUAGUA. Our referees for this third game, we have Martin Escalambre, Arnold Lazaro, and of course, we have Andrew Pabelico. First quarter is underway. It's GUAGUA versus MINALIN. MINALIN on white. And GUAGUA is on green. The block shot inside. Napunta sa MINALIN ang bola. We have a foul. foul number 23 ng Guagua. That will be his first personal. That's a Manyalak rather. Ang crew chief natin ngayon is si Martin Escalambre. Sorry, it's not Martin. It's Willie Hibe rather. Willie Hibe is the crew chief. "18-second shot clock for Minalin. Both teams haven't scored yet. Out of bounds. Stepping on the line. So these referees are the referees that whistled in the first game. Jump shot. Nope. Wala pa pong score bawat kupunan. The first minutes. Hang time. Nako, binitin. A foul. I see number 11. Lopez, first personal. Pamulagan is one of the high flyers of Minalin. Maybe on the next game, this guy will be our featured player. So sa susunod na coverage natin, whether Minalin win or lose in this game, he will be our focal point for our next ball games. Kasi matagal na rin tayo hindi nakakover ng Minalin kasi the last time we covered Minalin, that's third week of November. It's been a long time. 1-0. Same goes with Guagua. Last week of November natin sila na-cover. 3-point shot. In the money by Apostol. So that's the first field goal this ball game. So we intended to finish this league as early as 5:30 as scheduled. And that's a nice runner by Parungao. Maybe I'm gonna ask him, kamag-anak ba niya si Mac Parungao? Naglaro sa isang government agency league. We'll find out. Inside, incursion, drops it up. May foul sa ilalim. Two free throws now for Mamulak. Time kapos ang unang tira ni Mamulak. No. Two free throws missed. Ito na ang Minalin. That's a 3-point shot. Pamulagan. Airballs that shot. Ba? Both teams medyo ang kanilang shooting off rhythm. Kulang sa lakas. Buchanan will settle down for offense of Guagua. Apostol from top of the box. Gopez spots, gets to go. It's a 3-ball. 6-3. Gopez steals it. Inside track of the pass, drops it up. Apostol turns around, puts it out. Pump fake, batted away. And Minalin has it. Minalin will get the possession after Gopez struck that ball out of bounds. So makikita natin, mabibilis sa mga galamay. Ang bawat kupunan, ang tanong na lang, kaya ba nilang maging consistent offensively dahil medyo nahihirapan sila sa shooting. Nagkagawan at may foul. Offensive foul daw, sabi ni referee Willie Hibe. Offensive foul on Apostol. That will be his first. 7.5 minutes. First quarter action. Coming to you from San Fernando City, Pampanga. Capital city of Central Luzon. And this is the BREN Convention Center. Recently renovated during the pandemic. Fast break finish? Yes, sir. 8-3 Guagua. Instant foul given up by Apostol. That will be second personal. Ito masusukat ng coaching staff kung paano sila mag-a-adjust sa mga in-game foul situation. Sometimes kapag ang player nangangapa pa sa rhythm, pinoprolong nila yung player. Pero kapag mainig ka na tapos bigla ka na foul, kailangan mo na ilabas. No? Diskarte yan ng coaching staff. 3-point shot. Lumabas. Put back. Ayaw. Sorry, miss. On the shot clock. Alright, we have a foul underneath. So medyo ang Minalin nag-relax sa depensa ng konti. Napabayaan yung mga dalawang cutters ng Guagua. Yan ang maganda sa Guagua kapag halimbawa medyo lackluster yung kanilang depensa, bumabawi sila sa opensa. Ang tanong na lang dyan, kung kapag nagkaroon ng lapse sa defense at pinresyo sila, mag-turnover ba yan? Kasi yun na mga nangyari nung kamuntik na silang matalo. And let's see if remember, the immaculate record of Guagua is at stake here. 9-3 Guagua, 6-point edge, 6.5 minutes, first quarter, 3-point shot from the left quarter court, nothing but net. That's Pamulagan. Ten to shoot. Apostol drops it up. And the first case off. Traveling. So, repetition tayo. Muna si Apostol. 4 minutes gone by, first quarter. 9-6. Zip pass. Nice pass. Heartbreaker for miss. Corner flip. Unable to hit. That one overcooks. The referee says there's no foul, just out of bounds. Now, important thing here. Kasi kailangan ko lang tumayo, no? 9-6. Miss shot. Yun talaga yun, pag bagong kain, ano? 5.5 minutes, first quarter. This is game 3 of 6, halfway point. Screen wall play. Stretch. Yes. Manabat, sinukat ang layup. Lamang ang Guagua pa rin ng isang puntos. 9-8. Halfway point. 5 minutes. First quarter. Hang time move. Kamuntik na. Manabat clears the board for Minalin. Minalin just outside of San Simon on the toll gate. At puro mga farms doon. Puro mga farm market roads. Spin. Outside. Hindi siya makaporma. Submit 3. Short. Pamulagan. Passes to the wrong party. Bugaren. Zip pass. That's too much. Almost had a turnover there. 14 seconds to map out the play. Mamulak drives. Foul. He will take 2 shots nonetheless. Binabati ko pala yung isang coach ng Novaliches Warriors watching, Carlo Pacheco. Hello, Coach Carlo. Congrats for your win. And of course, happy birthday sa isang broadcaster natin sa ibang liga. Happy birthday to my friend Sandy Grumo. Happy birthday. Of course, belated happy birthday din sa mga OG sa sports broadcasting. Bill Velasco. Belated happy birthday. Samantala, meron tayong halt in play. Si siguro chine-check ng ating staff yung lineup ng Guagua. But that's all right. Play continues. It will be free throws now. On his last trip, he splits. 3 team fouls na ang Minalin. And Guagua has 4. And of course, siyempre shoutout din sa Strong Group Athletics, yung mga NBA Slam Dunk champion. Of course, 40-year-old Dwight Howard is here. And then yung former Gilas player natin, Gilas Naturals player natin si Andre Blatch, also here. 10-8. Home run. Yes. That's Manabat. Second field goal for him. All layups. Paalala natin sa mga viewers natin dito sa Delta Cup. This is the last game na magkakaroon tayo ng simulcast. At doon sa simulcast natin sa PIO Sinag Liga Asia, games 4 to 6 will be exclusively for Sinag Liga for PIO, because Sinag Liga Asia will use its Facebook page for their quarter-final playoffs sa Sinag Liga Lakas 40. Yan. So, magandang laban yan sa One Arena Kaintarisan, yung ating venue announcer na binabati ko, Ram Valid, will be taking charge of this 8 games back-to-back. 10-all is our count. Ibay Biniten. 12-10 Minalin. 3:19 first quarter. Spread out offense for Guagua. They need to shoot pretty well. Medyo masama ang kanilang shooting outside. Bugarin can make this happen. Yes, sir. First triple B connection after 4 misses. Arat ang shooting ng Guagua. Ngayon lang naipasok. Layog. Guevara lost it. Good defensive stance by Jelena. Bugarin one-handed. It's going to be a offensive foul, but it's not going to be on Bugarin. But it's going to be an illegal pick for the big guy. Jimenez with his first personal foul. 13-12 ang ating talaan. With 2:44. Some pressure being deployed by Guagua. Minalin crosses the 8-second line. Ikot ang bola from the left wing. Nice pump fake. Here's the drive. Biniten, sapal ni Colina. Ibay nilabas. Inside, Bonifacio. And Jimenez with a hacking foul. Baka doon natin makikita yung yung konting diskarte ng Minalin on how to draw the defense and make them pay from the free throw line. At yun ang ginagawa ngayon ng Minalin because they're a little bit undermanned. Kulang sila sa a little bit of height and also yung bulk, but they make more of that on hustle, timing, jumping, and teammanship. Look at that pass. Nako, lumusot sa kamay ni Bonifacio. Butterfingers there by Bonifacio. Sakto yung pasa pero hindi nahawakan ni Bonifacio well enough on his hands. 2:15 first quarter. Even Steven at 13. Jumper from the corner, wala. Standby po ang Menix. Ay, ang pasa napunta sa tarpaulin ng Pampanga Giantlanders, naging national champions nila sa ibang liga. And of course, they also celebrate last year their 25th anniversary of being national champions in NBA. Drop pass. Intercepted by Minalin. Lock away pass. Ohoy! Nakuha ni Direk Philip, ating PA. Tied score 13. Under 2 minutes remaining, 1 minute and 47. Delta Cup game 3 of 6. Let's recap the scores earlier. Sa mga hindi nakapanood, first game nanalo ang Mexico laban sa Arayat, 108.56. Si Aaron Santos ang best player. Pangalawang laro, nanalo ang Apalit laban sa Bacolor, 85-78. At ang best player doon, yung number 12. Nakalimutan ko na yung last name niya. Baseline drive. What a play. Guevara is perfectly open with some screens from it. Si Danting, ayun. Isaac Danting, ang best player in the second game. A minute and 15. Medyo hinihigpit ng Minalin ng depensa pero nakakuha sila ng foul. That's the only allowable foul. Next fouls from Minalin will mean free throws for the offended party and vice versa. Here it comes. The drive. The drop. No conversion. Good play though for Guagua. Sang minuto, first quarter. Some pressure defense from the ball carrier. Here's the jump shot from the free throw line. It's out. Got a fast break for Guagua. Nako, sumobra. One more time. Failed. Third effort. Rejected. 35 ticks. Spin. Drop. Inside play. Beautiful. Guevara with a reverse. And Minalin will be called for traveling. A 9-second differential between the shot clock and the game clock. 23.7, 14 seconds to shoot. Mugani wants a clear out. Okay, shot clock down to 5. They need to attack. They need to attempt. Here it comes. Short on a 3 ball. 10 seconds to go. La pass. Going reverse block. 3 seconds. 2, 1. They need to put it up. Malyari. Not enough time. 17 Minalin. And Guagua 13 after 10 minutes of playing time. Pakita natin direct ang mga highlights ng ating... Uy, napasobra. Wait. Pakita natin yung highlights ng ating first quarter, shall we? Let's... There you go. 3-point shot earlier by Guagua. And also on Guagua, fast break finish by Bugarin. And on the other side, also a good handoff to cap it up the first quarter. That's our first quarter score. Minalin 17, Guagua 13. Second quarter coming up. Ito po ang Delta Cup. (17-13) Minalin. Up by 4. Speaking of us, nanonood ngayon. Ating Sinagdigaas na Chairman Rocky Chan. Good afternoon. Nandun sila ngayon sa Cainta Rizal to prepare for the Sinag-Liga Asia Lakas 40 quarterfinals bracket A at bukas yung bracket B. Sarap yan. Alright, Garcia will start the second quarter for Minalin. They're up by 4, 17-13. My name is Ryan Paro. Live na live po tayo sa BREN Convention Center sa FERNANDO, Pampanga, creating coverage of Delta Cup 2023-24. 3-point bomb explosion. Bugaring gusto sumagot, Milua. Sagutan espesyal to sa 3. Minalin, biggest lead, 7 points. Can they make it 9? No. Garcia, corner flip, airballs that shot. Jimenez will bring down. Almost a turnover there. Bugarin inside. Nagipit. Naagaw ng Minalin ng tuluyan. Both teams really great sticking their men in defense. This time, Pamulagan, nakagawa ng paraan. Bobbles a bit, but still cutting loose with a layup. 9-point edge, 22-13. Low post play. Referee halts play. There's going to be a foul given up by MINALIN. Take a look at this slow-mo on this last foul. Ayun, huli. Nakita sa ating slow-mo replay. Thank you, Direct. (22) MINALIN, 13 para sa Guagua. A slow start for Guagua so far, and finally in 3-point play opportunity. That deserves a second look for the basket there by Manyalak. Tingnan natin. Here's the slow-mo. Here's the drive by Manyalak, sidestep, and it's going to be a foul on Pamulagan, his first. 3-point play completed for Guagua. Ooh! Natalisod si Garcia, pero wala siyang magagawa doon. And that's a foul given up by Guagua. Jimenez, that will be second personal foul. Ayun, kitang-kita. Oh, third na pala. Correction, that's a third foul on Jimenez. And, nako, napuruan. Napuruan ng siko si Besoro, but the referee saw the push by Besoro on Garcia, and Besoro will be called for his first personal. Jimenez will go to the bench. Foul trouble na siya, tatlong fouls. Limited time on the court. Gopez steals it. Fast break for the green shirts. He will get away. Counter steal. 4-point cluster. Medyo nagpabaya doon ang MINALIN with that turnover. And suddenly the lead of MINALIN is 2. And that's another error. Second straight error for the white shirts. Apostol with inbound for Guagua. So the new point guard now, that's Valino. He's swinging around on the white wing. Oh, barge play. Could have been a broken play, but still produce a basket. Suddenly we're tied at 22. 7:47 left, second quarter. Oh! Tinding banggaan yon. And it will be a foul on De La Fuente, first personal. First deadlock, 22 apiece. Alright, isa pang free throw para sa MINALIN. Split for Garcia. 23-22. Zip pass inside, almost broken up. Oh, nice return play. Naku po. Niluwa na naman. 10 seconds on the shot clock, De La Fuente. Valino heads up play, 5 to shoot. Pamulagan almost traveled. 2 on the shot clock. Tight 12. 1 second to go. It hit iron. Playing continues, fresh 14. Valino called for traveling. (23-22). Approaching the 7-minute mark sa ating second quarter. Garcia. Nako! Gopez gives them the first taste of the lead of Pampanga in the 6-minute and 38 mark of the second quarter.